Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare broccoli Manchurian. So let's see what all ingredients we need. For that I have taken one bulb of broccoli, then we need maida or all-purpose flour. I have taken 7 tablespoons. Cornstarch, I have taken 2 tablespoons. 1 Maggi magic masala sachet, 1 packet. Then I have taken 2 spring onions, stem of 2 spring onions. Then bell peppers. I have taken 3 colored bell peppers or capsicum, green, orange, red. If you have only green, you can use only one. Then I have taken 5 cloves of garlic and 1 piece of ginger. Red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon. Tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons. Dark soya sauce, half tablespoon. Then we need peri peri garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon. White vinegar, half teaspoon. Then 1 onion I sliced into cube shape, and 2 green chilies. You can take any onions. I am taking red onion. Black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon. Oil as needed. Salt as needed. Then chili powder, half teaspoon. So let's see how we are going to prepare this broccoli Manchurian. We have to cut the broccoli into florets. Then we have to make a paste. Then we have to fry it. For making the Manchurian, we need to coat the broccoli with a paste. For that, now I have taken that all-purpose flour. In that, I am going to add the cornstarch. We can add salt. The Maggi magic masala sachet. It's for a flavor for the broccoli. Then we can add the chili powder. And the pepper powder. Mix it well. And add the water to make a thick paste. Slowly you can add. Try to make the paste without any lumps. After making a good thick paste, I'm going to add, you can check salt level if you want before adding broccoli. So now I'm going to add the broccoli florets. Coat well. Once it coated well, we can do frying. For that I have cut one pan and make sure the batter coated well with the broccoli. The first batch of broccoli which we kept for frying, it's fried well. As you can see, it's nicely coated and nicely fried. So we can take out from the oil and keep it in the paper napkin to absorb the extra oil. I have done frying the second batch also. So let's see how we are going to prepare the sauce for the broccoli Manchurian. For that I have kept one pan. The pan I am going to add the oil. You can use cooking oil. I have added 1.5 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add ginger and garlic. I have crushed the garlic and sliced the ginger, and you can add the white part of the spring onion. While the garlic and ginger and spring onion change to a slight color, I am going to add the onions and the green chilies. Try to keep the flame from medium to high. Once the onion change to a medium color, I am going to add the bell peppers or capsicum, 3 color, green, red and orange. After adding capsicum, you can add the salt. And stir well. You can start to add the sauces. the tomato sauce, the red chili sauce, now try to keep the flame in the medium while adding the sauces, the soya sauce, and the peri peri garlic sauce. If you don't have peri peri garlic sauce, you can skip this step. If you have Szechuan sauce, you can add. After giving a good mix with the sauces and capsicum, I am going to add the vinegar. With that, I am going to add the broccoli which we fried. Now keep the flame in the high. Give a good mix. Make sure the sauce is coating well. After giving a good mix, you can switch off the flame. On top of this broccoli Manchurian, I am sprinkling the spring onion. The broccoli Manchurian is ready. It's really healthy and tasty. You can serve this broccoli Manchurian as a starter or with fried rice or noodles. I am here serving it with the egg fried rice. Hope you like this recipe. Please do a try. Please do like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you for watching. Thank you.